Hey there guys, this is a 2007 Honda Accord 3-liter engine, EVAP solenoid replacement. Forget the code, P07 something or other. Already went ahead and replaced this part here. So all you'd have to do is disconnect the power connector, the 10mm bolts top and bottom. These hoses, they just pull apart, unclamp the little clamps. You should be good. It's a little simple car repair. This costs about $182 just for the part. Do it yourself. Last part I had on was made from Mexico, so that's why it ended up failing. About 280K on this engine so far. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe.